Let's be honest, modern life can be overwhelming. I know what it's like to feel stressed, stuck at a desk, muscles tense, energy fading fast. It's easy to forget that our bodies need care, not just our minds. But here's the truth. Real wellness starts from the inside out. Massage isn't just a luxury. It's a frontline solution for stress, muscle pain, and the pressure of daily life. When I get a massage, I feel the tension melt away, my body relaxes, and my mind becomes clear. That's not just a feeling, it's science. Massage lowers stress hormones, boosts mood, and improves circulation so your body can heal, focus, and recharge. At Tim Bodycare, I discover wellness on a whole new level. With experienced, certified therapists, every session is tailored to what I need, whether it's deep relaxation, recovery from a tough week, or just a moment to breathe. The environment is calm, welcoming, and safe. Here, I know I'm in good hands. But Tim Bodycare isn't just about receiving care. It's about empowering others too. If you've ever thought about turning your passion for wellness into a career, their certified training programs open doors. I see students learning, growing, and gaining professional skills that lead to real jobs. With international standards and government-recognized certifications, it's more than a diploma. It's a new beginning. So why wait? Take care of your body. Invest in your health. Whether you're searching for relief, balance, or a brand new path, discover what's possible at Tim Bodycare. Unlock your wellness journey today. Your future self will thank you.